Laura Painter reporting there. All right, Keith, we had a beautiful, beautiful day.
Yeah, it was nice. Do you guys use those, like, when you split tabs and stuff, you use, like, Venmo and...
I use it increasingly. I never used to be a big fan, but now I use it more.
Yes, my husband and I use it, too, for bills because we haven't done the joint account yet.
Okay. Yeah,
we've been busy. It's like
no, it's fun.
Some life going on.
It's funny because I realize when you get to a certain age, you know, when you're younger and you pick up the tab, you're probably going to lose money. Like people will be like, well, mine was like $6, whatever.
Right.
I realize when you get to 40, you start making money if you do it because people are so afraid to underpay you.
Oh yeah, I definitely overpay.
Yeah, like I'm like, I'll pick it up. I'm making like 7% on this deal. You just gotta judge the who you're around at that point, I guess. Beautiful day today. A lot of sunshine still out there in a lot of spots. Temperatures were in the 60s. We got to 73 in Freiburg. That was the anomaly. A couple of showers. Haven't heard from the weather watchers that these is actually hitting the ground. So if it is, let me know. But it looks like this is very light stuff that's probably evaporating before it actually gets to the surface. Not the case with this round of showers down into southern parts of Vermont, central Vermont, I guess. These will slide east over the next few hours, and we will see showers that are a little bit beefier here. Around 8 o'clock tonight, it looks like over western Maine, and then 9, 10 o'clock along the coastline. These echoes could have a little bit of small hail in them too. It's cold up in the upper part of the atmosphere that allows for hail to develop pretty easily. Not going to be a big deal, just something worth noting. Otherwise, an isolated shower tonight, and then by tomorrow morning, we're back to some sun. And the first half of tomorrow especially looks really nice. A lot of sun, temperatures quickly into the 60s in most spots, and we may even get to 70 in a couple of spots by tomorrow midday. But then clouds come in from southwest and northeast with some isolated sprinkles. I don't think there's a lot of moisture around here, but I do think that the day kind of turns a little bit and it gets cloudier. The sprinkles are around through the afternoon and then move to the northeast through the evening on Friday and into early Saturday. And then we wake up Saturday and it's already cloudy with some showers, and it only goes downhill from there, unfortunately, as we get the heavier rain in here. In all intents and purposes, as close as you can be to a washout, I think, on Saturday. There's just not much space here where it's very nice. And so it's raining during the day, especially Saturday midday into the afternoon, into the evening too. And then that low hangs around on Sunday, so it's breezy, it's raw, it's showery on Sunday too. So it's marginally nicer, I guess, in the sense that it's not raining all day, but I don't think it's a very nice day on Sunday either. And then we're back in good shape on Monday into Tuesday. Total rainfall amounts here pretty beefy by the global models, about 1 inch to 2 inches of rain. Ground should be okay to handle that given current soil moisture and all that, but just be aware that it is a legitimate shot of rain here coming on Saturday. Monday looks good, Tuesday pretty good too. Sea breeze, maybe. Coast, if we don't see breeze on Tuesday, will be 70 plus, but I don't know, we probably will. The wind is likely to switch, at least in the afternoon. You know what's tough about this time of the year sometimes too, guys, is that your high temperature is exactly what it sounds like. It's the warmest temperature you get to during the day. Sea breeze days, you can have a high at 10 a.m. Then sea breeze is down 10 degrees. Right. So it's always tough what do you put in the 7 day. I usually split the middle. Like if it's going to be a high of 70 and then we're going to be 60 the rest of the day, I'll usually put like 65. Because technically the high is 70, but that's not how it's going to feel. So that's Tuesday's one of those days where we may technically be warmer, but I think a lot of the day will be sea breeze back down, but at least it'll be sunny.
That'll be nice.
Yeah.
Okay, Keith, thank you.